Hello YouTube. Today in this video we are going to see about top softwares used in movies, mainly for the visual effects. There are two types of visual effects. One is the 3D and 2D used for compositing. So for the 3D visual effects, the first software which is widely used is Autodesk Maya. Autodesk Maya is developed by Autodesk itself. There are widely and variety of Autodesk softwares around the world, but this Maya is one of the best softwares created by Autodesk. Autodesk Maya has a lot of versions, including the latest 2020's version. This software is mainly used in a lot of movies. For example, we can take Harry Potter, The Half-Blood Prince, Kung Fu Panda and Transformers. Use these softwares for 3D animation. So these kind of softwares are widely important for the visual effects companies. The next software widely used is Autodesk 3ds Max. 3ds Max is one of the best software used for game development, filming and even architecturing. It has a very great interface and also one of the most used software. It is mostly used in filming and game development. When it comes to game development, many game companies hire these softwares for only one purpose, is to develop games in a very sequential manner. 3ds Max is broadly utilized in the game development for the games like World of Warcraft, Call of Duty and even Demand for Speed, and it also used widely in many movies. For instance, we can take the movies like 2012 Lara Croft Tomb Raider, Iron Man and even Avatar, one of the most best movie they have ever seen with the best visual effects. 3ds Max is one of the most important components in these visual effects. Next software is After Effects. It was developed by Adobe and also known as the Adobe After Effects. It is one of the most best software used in post-production and also for compositing. Compositing, which means that combining reality with other features which is not found in reality, like fake lightnings and a lot of visual effects stuffs are made using After Effects. After Effects has a variety of plugins and also a lot of features and has a very good interface and also works with a lot of softwares like Premiere Pro, Photoshop, Illustrator. All the files can be used in After Effects. Adobe has a very link to their own softwares, so it is one of the best softwares used in the filming industry. It is mainly used for filming industry, for creating films, movies and also videos nowadays, as this software is widely used and it's available for everyone for a valid price. So that is why it is one of the best software used in the visual effects companies. The next very best software is Nuke. Nuke is just like After Effects, used for post-production and also one of the best compositing software, that is reality and the other features that doesn't fit in reality. That is why it is one of the best software used in all of the films. It is mainly used in the films and is one of the big software more than After Effects, and that is why it is used in great movies like Tron Legacy and in Avatar. This software has made a very great remark around the ages now. So that is why Nuke is one of the best visual effects software. Moja is the next software and it is one of the best software in post-production and for compositing. It is mainly used for rotoscoping and it has many device tools which is used for wire removal, lens distortion and even for plane generation, and also it is used for mesh warping and is also conveyed the VFX toolkit. Moja Pro is also used for video editing and compositing a scene or a film, and these visual effects artists are to follow the shots. That is why Moja is one of the best software. It also has pointers and trackers used to track cameras virtually. This software is only used in films and videos and also for a lot of purposes. That is why it is one of the best software considered. And thanks for watching this video, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.